Oh. It's cool. Okay.
Turn the fucking bass up.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for like the first time in a pretty long time. So I just like got this little like spur of inspiration to kind of recreate the thank you next video.
Thank you next, bitch.
Because I saw Asha did it. A South African influencer from Cape Town. I'll link her Instagram down below. And the video she made, which was pretty cool, done by Aiden Ajam. So like right now, I'm gonna do it with my cousin, Hafsa Pastor. Instagram will also be linked down below. With my mom, her Instagram will not be linked down below because she doesn't have Instagram. But this is what I'm doing. So yeah, this is just like a behind the scenes video of how I made it. And then, okay, now we have our font. This is gonna be our book. Oh, that's gonna be pasted on top. Oh, there's our Pete and Sean's and Ricky's and I don't know what else. So yeah, prop mix. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get like a pinky hue to the room. So I'm taking like portable lights and plug-in lights, and I'm adding this like file dividers that I cut up with sellotape over the lights. You know, little DIY. And then they will do. Wait, what? No, this. See, maybe just like show you. Hold on. There. Open the book. Ooh, look at me playing with my hair. Don't make it sexual.
I'm not making it sexual.
So hi, it's me from the future. So I had to sing the stuff myself so I don't get copyrighted. So enjoy. Back to prison. I mean, past? I don't know. Bye. Say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. What you taught me, yeah, boy, that I say thank you. Next.
Kan jij kan me niet like, you know what I mean?
One taught me pain, now I'm so amazing. I've loved and I've loved.
Thank you next.
Oh yeah, this is for recording.
Kylie Jenner, whatever.
Chris Jenner.
Oh, who's Jenner? Kamala Jenner.
Ready for your close-up?
Of course.
Colin Shakira bagas to sit.
Almost there. Me, Jemima Jenner.
Jemima Jenner. So Mommy just has to. She's gonna sit here. You need to pretend like Mommy is taking the video on her and like dancing on this way. Now I'm so amazing. I've loved and I've lost. Now that's not what I see. So look what. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make the thank you next music video with my cousin, who is the model and who is Ariana Grande in this video, Hafsa. So if you have any suggestions for my photography account, let me know what you would like to see. And until next year or something. Until next year, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any suggestions, and yeah, see you in another year's time. Bye.
Instagram will be below.
Long time I already said that.
Okay.
Bye.